What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save it. How to flirt with a girl over text. Number 1. Don't come on excessively solid. In the event that your demonstration poor and edgy immediately, she'll be weirded out. You can't begin sending pages and pages of content that will peruse like you're either very tenacious or that you're only abnormal all in all. Keep your writings moderately brief time as yet getting the message over. No one needs to promptly be assaulted with a lot of writings from somebody they don't generally know. Number 2. Just message in the event that she gave you her number. On the off chance that you got her number from a companion, you're now unpleasant. You ought to never message a young lady except if she's by and by given you her number. You can message her via web-based networking media in case you're the two companions, however that is it. Messaging her when she doesn't have any acquaintance with you is exceptionally strange and will make her truly awkward. Number 3. Don't send an excessive number of unanswered writings. This is very irritating and indeed frightening. For what reason would you send a great many writings to somebody who unmistakably wouldn't like to react? Also, perhaps it's not in any case that she wouldn't like to. She may be occupied or working, and you've quite recently exploded her telephone. It'll be too overpowering to her and not in the least viable. She'll take a gander at it and be killed. Number 4. Abstain from giving compliments. Compliments are constantly enjoyed, clearly. Be that as it may, you can't consistently give them, particularly on the off chance that they are not justified. For instance, disclosing to her she looks wonderful when you haven't really observed her in person is somewhat odd. Complimenting her about being entertaining just after she made a quip, in any case, is superbly fine. You can't simply dish them out, however. It'll look somewhat unpleasant and she'll feel strange about it.